The cable cast-on creates a firm foundation for your knitting. It can be used to cast on at the start of a project and also in shaping, where extra stitches need to be added at the edge of rows or in the middle of rows. First, make a slip knot and place this on your needle. This is your first stitch. Insert the right-hand needle as if to knit and wrap the yarn around. Pull it through just as you would for a knit stitch, and then place this loop onto the left-hand needle. Now, rather than going up into the next stitch, we're going to insert the tip of the right-hand needle in the space in between these two stitches. Wrap the yarn around the needle and pull it through to create a loop. Place this loop onto the left-hand needle by scooping it up from underneath at the front. Placing the stitch on the needle in this way ensures that the stitches lie correctly on the needles without twisting. So let's do that again. Insert the tip of the right-hand needle in between the top two stitches on the left-hand needle. Bring the yarn around the back and pull it through to create a new stitch, and place that on the left-hand needle by scooping it up from underneath. And again, insert the needle in between the two stitches, yarn around and pull it through and put it on the left-hand needle. In between the two stitches, yarn around the needle, scoop that loop through and place it on the left-hand needle. Repeat these steps until you have the right number of stitches.